you can hear the coyotes are literally right behind me, so hopefully they don't come get me. Either way, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna get some ducks. Let's go. It's about to be crazy today. Stay tuned. Today we are going duck hunting. I'm out here in the Beavertail Stealth 2000. We are all set up. It is currently just before 6 o'clock, so got just under an hour. October 12th. I'm literally in like just a long sleeve. It's beautiful out, so got some cloud cover today. Hopefully we can see some ducks. Wind's supposed to be slim to none, so who knows what's gonna fly, but yeah, let's get some ducks. Got the decoys all set up. Let's go. Let's get on them. Let's see what we can get. Well, it just started to rain, so I went to go pick up first duck I shot. So it's been about 2 hours. We're out here, beautiful hen wood duck. Look at that, that's so pretty. Alright, we'll stick her right there. Let's get back. Let's wait out this rain, and let's see if we can get some more ducks. Well guys, that's gonna end today's video. Gonna wrap up, grab the decoys. I can't complain. I'm not out here to fill limits. I'm just out here to have fun. I love watching the birds fly. Love to see that stuff. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. How's it going?
Not too bad. See any ducks?
Yeah, a few. It was pretty slow though.
Was it?
Yeah.
There's a lot flying around here last night.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Good to know. Going fishing?
Yeah, gonna give her a shot.
Good luck.
Thank you.